friends, it's Julie with new video, with new hairstyle on Friday, like always on my channel. This hairstyle called Madame Pompadour, not because she wears like hairstyles like this, but it's called with her name. It's very simple, very fast to do, and very good to bad hair days, for bad hair days, for days when you can't wash your hair in time. It's really good variation of hairstyle, and it's very glamour looking. And I use here also net and flowers to do my hairstyle more spring. I don't use any any donut or base, because in classic Madame Pompadour hairstyle you need to use this donut for do a very big volume. But this is my variation without any base, only my hair and hair net, a few bobby pins and flowers. So keep watching to see how I did this. Bye! I'm using 30mm foam rollers. For this hairstyle you need soft waves. Starting to brush my hair and creating the tail almost at the front of the head. I'm using silicone hair tea. You can rub the tea with strand of hair. I don't do this because I will use flowers. Then starting to create the wave. You don't need to do the same wave as I did. Your hairstyle will depend on your hair situation, how it curls and how it wants to lay. If you have longer hair than mine, it will be more volume and you can do more beautiful hairstyle. Just use your imagination. When this part is ready, I'm taking the net. Net will protect your hairstyle. And use bobby pins to fix it. I don't use any bobby pins to fix my hairstyle because it's not necessary. Hairspray as always. The last step, flowers. and I'm ready. Hope you like this simple, fast hairstyle. Waiting your likes and comments. Follow my channel for more hairstyle tutorials. Bye bye!